Hi everyone! In this Oclef video, we will be discussing the slow practice tool. This is a practice tool that is used for learning music at all levels. This is one of the simplest yet hardest tools to use. So when should the slow practice tool be used? When starting a new piece, it's almost impossible to begin playing at the performance speed. Slow practice is used to help make the piece more manageable for your child to play. When determining how slow is slow enough for your child, choose a tempo at which your child can play the piece or section perfectly without mistakes. This is crucial as a tempo that is too fast can confuse or frustrate your child or teach your child to learn the piece with mistakes. It's always better to go slow and strive for accuracy. Now I'm going to demonstrate the slow practice tool with a short piece. Even though I was playing slowly, I still made a mistake, which means I wasn't playing slow enough. Now I'm going to demonstrate how to correctly play the piece. Since I went slower, I gave myself time to look ahead and read everything that I played. That made me a lot more accurate the second time around. This concludes our video on the slow practice tool. Thanks for watching!